Hello and welcome to this video presentation on Lesson 4, Creating an Online Tutoring Session. In this video, I will show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to create an online tutoring session using the Live Help and Writing Lab features on Brainfuse. Brainfuse gives all students the opportunity to succeed academically by providing online tutorial services to students anytime and anywhere. Before online tutoring, students had to schedule their tutoring appointments exclusively in person. Fortunately, with the creation of Brainfuse, students now have the opportunity to receive academic assistance online from a tutor without ever having to leave their home. Brainfuse offers two online tutoring resources that are in the forms of the Live Help and Writing Lab features. The Live Help feature provides online tutoring for students on a variety of subjects such as math, science, history, and English. The Writing Lab feature allows students to receive online feedback on their essays, research papers, admissions letters, and even job resumes. Unfortunately, many students may be unaware of how to schedule a tutoring session with an online tutor. TSC tutors being knowledgeable in creating online tutoring sessions is essential in order to provide assistance to students and allow them to succeed in their academic endeavors. I will now show you a brief step-by-step tutorial on creating an online tutoring session on Brainfuse using the Live Help and Writing Lab features. Please note that for this instructional video, I will begin at the Brainfuse homepage. If by any chance you are unfamiliar with how to access Brainfuse, I have provided an instructional step-by-step video on how to access Brainfuse from the official Texas Southmost College website in Lesson 1. You may refer to this video as much as you need to in order to access the Brainfuse homepage. The first step of this process is to locate the Live Help feature. The Live Help feature is located on the left-hand side of the Brainfuse homepage. Click on the Select Topic drop-down menu to pick what subject matter you need assistance in. Click the Subject drop-down menu to select a specific class. Once you select the topic and subject, click the Connect button to meet with a tutor. Once you meet with an online tutor, you will be presented with a white screen with a chat box. This is the whiteboard. Here you could present the tutor with information regarding the subject matter. Once you are finished with the tutoring session, you will need to exit it. In order to exit the session, click the picture of the arrow located at the top right-hand corner of the chat box. You will then be presented with a confirmation to end the session. Click OK to end the session. This next step is optional. You may complete an online feedback survey regarding your experiences with the online tutor. The Writing Lab feature is located on the right-hand side of the Brainfuse homepage. On the Writing Lab feature, click the Submit Essay button. Next, you will be asked to complete the essay information. If you select any of the academic writing formats, you will be asked what formatting style that is being used, as well as 3 areas that you want the tutor to focus on. The next portion of the essay information page allows you to provide instructions for your assignment, comments, and the option to upload your file online for a tutor to review it. The comments and instructions sections are completely optional, and it is up to you as to whether or not to fill out this information. You could attach your document on the section of the page that says Upload File. You could upload your file through either a digital document format, such as Microsoft Word, from the cloud, and the whiteboard as well. If you choose to upload a file, the Writing Lab supports most document formats. Once you attach your document, on the Upload Your Document section, click the Submit button and you should receive a confirmation. In order to see if the online tutor has provided feedback on your writing assignment, click on your username and then click on the My Message Center option. You can now see the writing assignment that you requested to be reviewed by an online tutor. In summary, Brainfuse offers a great way for students at Texas Southmost College to meet with an online tutor at their most convenience. The Live Help feature on Brainfuse allows TSC students to meet one-on-one with a tutor on various subjects. The Writing Lab feature on Brainfuse allows students to submit their academic or non-academic writing for an online tutor to review and provide feedback on. While these resources provide many opportunities for TSC students, tutors must be knowledgeable in creating tutoring sessions using the Life Help and Writing Lab resources in order to assist students who need information or technological assistance in creating their tutoring sessions online. A tutorial on how to create an online tutoring session using both the Life Help and Writing Lab features was provided. The tutorial provided a step-by-step explanation on how to locate the Life Help and Writing Lab features, modify and confirm a topic on the Life Help feature, complete the essay information section on the Writing Lab feature, and upload and submit an essay to a tutor on the Writing Lab feature. I hope that you enjoyed this brief step-by-step video presentation on creating an online tutoring session using the Life Help and Writing Lab features on Brainfuse. Thank you and have a wonderful day.